Okay, now today we've got slimy bucket fun, metallic effect. Wow, a slippery, gooey, huey friend for you. Endless slimy fun. Wow, that sounds exciting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This is a metallic effect.
Yeah. What's that?
Wow, we're going to find out how slimy this is.
Alright, let's open it.
Okay, now let Ty open the plastic. Ooh, put that aside. Now let Lynn open the lid. You know, open it.
Like this way? I don't know how to open
Oh, I don't think it's twisting.
Let me try.
Let Ty help. Ooh, slowly. Oh, there's another bucket in there. Hang on.
Let me try it.
Put the lid aside. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look before we open it. Oh, it is metallic effect, isn't it?
What is that?
Like metal.
Okay, try to open it.
All right, now let Lynn try to open it. Let Lynn have a go. Might not be twisting, it might be actually lifting up.
I think you have to go the other way.
Yeah, you might have to lift it up somehow.
Maybe this way or this way. Because this Let me hold the camera and Daddy will open. Right.
Hold it like that. Hold it still. Strange, isn't it?
Daddy!
No, this is here. See this? No, it's not it. It has to be like... Here it says open. So it says open.
Yeah.
So lift that up.
Yeah. That's hard.
It is a bit hard.
Don't top it over like that. What happens if it falls like and then it be on me? I don't want the sound to be on my clothes. Look. Beep beep beep. Oh, it's opening. Daddy, do not tip it over.
It won't get tipped.
Will. Icky gooey. This is gonna be hard. Hard to play with. Daddy, why can't you not do it? Oh, you broke it.
It's very
Hard.
Okay, hang on. This. Put this in the bin. Stay there.
Hey guys.
Don't do. Stay. Put it still, please. Here.
Look. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, look at the slime.
Okay.
Let's try to open it now.
You can open it now, slowly. No, you put your hand here and lift it up.
Yeah, I tried that before. Let me try like this one. I'm scared that's good.
It won't get splash. You just lift the lid up.
Can't I? You can do it. You're the oldest in this home.
Yeah, lift it.
It's really hard. Let me try.
Hold it still.
Even Daddy will try. Oh.
Hang on, hold it still.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, hope it's not like... Okay, let's open it. I'll go first.
Now Lynn, you go. Ooh, what does it feel like?
It feels like
Slimy, yucky slime?
Yeah.
Ah.
Sticky.
Is it sticky?
Sticky.
Give me a look. Close up. Oh my goodness me. Oh, slimy.
Should I put it on here?
Lynn, you can pour it out. Let Lynn pour it out.
Oh no, Okay,
Let Lynn pour it out.
look at that. It's so sticky.
Now turn this way so that you can see it.
Okay.
Yeah, pour it out. Let Lynn pour it out.
Ew.
Ooh, cool.
Let me try. I'll go first.
Let Lynn have a go. Let Lynn have a go.
Oh, that's cool. Ew. Oh wait, it's starting to make noise.
Ooh.
Sticky and wet.
Sticky and wet. My goodness.
Let's see if we... Oh, sorry.
It's cold, isn't it?
Well, I'll go first. That's how people do it. Yeah, not so but it is so slippery.
Right, Lynn. Lynn have a go. Let Lynn have a go. Let Lynn have a go. You have to massage it, Lynn. Massage it.
Like,
Squeeze it, yeah.
squeeze it. Oh, look at that.
Cool.
When you squeeze it, it's a little bit cold when you do that.
Yeah.
Wait, can you get out? Help me, I'm stuck with the, help me. I'm sticking. Help me. Ugh.
Just pull it off and it'll come off. Yeah, just like that. See?
Okay, very good.
Other pieces still stuck to your finger. Use your other hand to pull it off.
Yeah. Sticky.
Show me your hand. Show me your hand. Ooh. This matches your colour, the top,
Wait, can you move,
and it matches your
hat.
hat
be
top
quiet.
too.
Wait, let me be quiet. I'm gonna show you this. Let's try to. So wet. Oh.
So that's our adventure today, opening or unboxing the slime bucket. Is it gooey?
Yeah, kind of.
Very gooey? Make sure you clean all this bit off with your hand.
Yeah.
It'll come off. Okay?
I don't have any on mine, so no. Right, bye. Bye, guys. Oh no, that's it? Okay. I'll go fix it. Oh. Yeah.
Let Lynn play. Come on. Lynn, have a join in.
You go, but you.
And once you finish playing, you make sure you wash your hands, okay?
Okay.
I'll video it from the top down.
Oh! Okay. I want to do it.
Let Lynn play.
It's so cool. I'm trying to do ASMR. Okay, now my turn. Sticky.
Asthma? Is it asthma?
ASMR.
Okay.
Asthma.
Let me hold it real close and there might be asthma. Yeah, there is. See?
Okay.
See? Squeeze it and you will hear ASMR.
I want to do it.
See? See?
ASMR is like you have to be quiet and eat or.
That's
like
right. That's why you have to be quiet. ASMR, come on. Squeeze it hard. Yeah, see?
Oh, it's so. Okay. Ew. My hands are getting cleaner.
This is like the Blob from the movie The Blob.
I haven't heard about the movie. I don't. Yeah. Does that even exist? Yeah, I get this. Oh, this slime. Yeah, my turn. Alright.
Lynn's turn.
Stretch it. Okay. My turn.
ASMR. Squeeze it.
My turn. Okay.
Good.
I hate this.
Now, what
slime.
shape can you make out of this?
Anything if you
Yeah.
like. I want to try to make a shape of a
I'm trying to
square.
make
Okay, let's try and make a square. Let Lynn try and make a
I'm
square.
sticky. Wait. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
There we go. It's kind of a square.
Mm.
There we go.
That's the square.
Now squeeze it. Destroy it with your hands.
Let's try to make
Gooey.
a tiny-
Lots of
should we-
gooey,
It's
slimy.
stretchy.
Sorry.
Look, Daddy.
Mm.
Make a bubble. Go.
Oh, I don't know how to make a bubble.
Make sure you don't put your hands in your mouth, okay?
Ew.
Or your eyes. And you have to
Can
wash
move-
your hands
can
after
move-
you're
can you
playing.
move? Look.
You have to make. I want to do
I
it.
accidentally moved it.
Yeah. Icky gooey.
Cool.
Right, bye.
Bye.
No,
Subscribe.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Like. Oh, we're not finished. Do not leave the video.
Here's a dog.
Okay,
touching-
Chloe.
Touch.
This is slime. You want to touch slime?
Yeah, it's so
Okay.
cool. Ready? Ready? Touch it. Touch it.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Touch it. Oh, yeah. Ew, disgusting. Ew, Chloe.
Want a massage? Want a massage, Chloe? Want a massage? Not eat it. You have to massage it.
Okay,
Like
put
this.
it down.
Yeah, Chloe. It's fun. Here,
Fun
Chloe.
play.
Here, Chloe. Don't be scared.
Chloe's so. Chloe is
Okay,
so
Chloe.
scared.
Okay, video problem.
Look at this.
Okay, bye guys.
Oh, look at that. Let's see how long you can stretch it, Ty.
I'm holding. You don't need to hold.
Stand up.
Okay, Daddy, I wanted to stretch it too.
Oh my goodness. That's pretty. Oh, it's gonna break.
Okay.
It's gonna break.
I'm just gonna put it down.
Okay, down it goes. Down it goes. Squeeze it. Squeeze.
Ooh,
Squeeze.
I want to play with it.
Hmm.
Okay, I
Okay.
want to do Ace more.
So Lynn, you can say, make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe and click the like button.
Cool.
Also, put a bell on. Please get this channel to 1,000.
Okay, you have to say a bit louder for people to hear.
Well, then you go first. Oh,
Make sure you like and subscribe this video.
because we want to be.
Also, please make this channel go to 100 subscribers and 1,000 then.
We will
100
follow you for your YouTube.
No. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.
Okay, let me.